What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just want to salute you today. I know it's Friday. Hopefully y'all on y'all grind, starting or ending or whatever the situation might be. Just wanted to say something to you, man. Now is the time to start initiating some of the ideas that you've been having, that you've been putting off. Some of the good ideas, but you haven't really put forth any effort to make it happen. Now is the time to do your research. While you got this downtime, do your thing, man. Hustle. Think outside of the box. Don't just think in your small area. You might be in an area that whatever you come up with might not be what they need, but it's another area that, like, man, we need that, but they don't know nothing about it. They don't know nothing about you, your product, your service. So you're gonna have to put it before them. You're gonna have to advertise. You're gonna have to build your brand. You're gonna have to live to be remembered in your way. You know what I mean? So I just feel like Friday, I just wanted to say something to all my HogOn followers, all my fans, everybody who support the movement. Hey, start. Where you at? You got an idea? You got a goal? You got a dream, a vision? You got to start on it. You know what I mean? And once you get it started, and you be consistent, because consistency is key. Not just starting, you going hard for a few months, you like, man, I ain't getting nowhere, and you give up. We can't give up. We got to keep getting our hog on. It's a lifestyle. So regardless, we got to feed ourselves. So we got to go out here and hunt every day. You know what I mean? We hogs. We're not domestic. We're not waiting outside for someone to throw some food in a plate like a dog. You see what I'm saying? And we know if we be good, Master gonna put us a bowl of wall out there and maybe, throw us some, throw us a little treat or something every now and then. We got to go do it. It's your vision. It's your goals. So you got to get your hog on. Black Phoenix.